Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to properly seal an oil pump. This particular oil pump is off a Subaru EJ20. I'll just show you how to use the silicone gasket maker around the pump. Also, if you want to prime these pumps, what I normally like to use is the Lucas heavy duty oil stabilizer. It's got a similar viscosity to assembly lube, so that's why I like to use it, and it goes well with the engine oil on first startup. So you can either open this up and fill up the passages with the Lucas. I'll put up a picture now so you can see it. Otherwise you can just add a bit of Lucas in here and in here. But anyway, we'll get to sealing this pump. It's quite important that you don't put a excessively large bead of silicone around the oil pump, as you don't want that. You don't want anything getting into the oil galleries or into the oil pickup tube or similar. So that's how you apply a thin bead. You might notice that there's a little bit extra here. With clean gloves or a screwdriver you can just take that off. Sometimes it does happen when you're putting in, when you're pressing the tube by hand. If you had a chalking gun or similar, it would make life a lot easier. But yeah, that's how you do it. And then you just can go ahead and press it in on the vehicle.